Good day mga Lods, mag-unboxing tayo ng 17 pieces socket wrench galing sa Flyman Professional Tools. So, unboxing na natin. Para magamit ka sa mga motor pag nag-change oil ako, saka magpalit ng brake shoe. So, may metal box na siya. Ito yung set niya mga boys. So yan mga ano niya, hanggang 24mm. So ito naman yung mga ano niya, yung mga sizes niya. 8mm hanggang 24mm. Flex handle, may extension bar, ratchet handle, saka flex handle.
A few moments later.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness.